We've just received confirmation on the date and location of the next CAA Drone Safety Day. Keep watching for more information. Hi, I'm Ash from DroningON. Now, you may remember last year we covered the CAA, the Civil Aviation Authority's very first Drone Safety Day. It was held in the UK, obviously, because the CAA are the UK's aviation authority, and it was a really good opportunity to get to speak to the CAA drone department. And the attendance was fairly good as well, but it was limited because of the short notice given. Now, unfortunately, the notice is fairly short again. The event will be held between the 31st of August until the 2nd of September. The CAA are chaining onto an event called the International Rally at Sywell, and this is a very small aerodrome in Northamptonshire. But it is known as the UK's biggest fly-in and exhibition, so not only will you get an opportunity to meet the CAA and hear about what they have to say, but you'll also have a really good air show to visit at the same time. The CAA are hoping to put out a press release to confirm all of this today. So this is a very early heads up. Comment below with your thoughts, give the video a thumbs up, and be sure to check out our coverage from last year. Links to that are in the description. Thanks for watching.